Hi, this is Nathan from AA Nomadic. Today I'll be doing a quick demo on the award or certificate generator. And this is to show you an Excel tool written in VBA that can mass generate the award or certificate from a list of recipients in Excel. Normally, an award comes with two documents. One is the certificate itself, the employee's name, the month that we issue, the supervisor name, and title. Along with it is the language or the citation for the award. Here's the standardized language for the award with two dynamic variables, text1 and text2. The tool will extract these two values from Excel list along with the employee's name and then save this template for that employee. Let's look at the tool real quick. I created 5 fictional employees for this demo purpose. Column B through G are required: supervisor name, title, month, employee name, and here's the text 1 and text 2. Upon clicking on the cell, the tooltip will guide the manager on what to input, and anything here will be within the brackets, and of course the brackets will not be carried over in the actual template itself upon save. Column A is the system generated values. This is helpful when you mass create the documents when the system encounters an error in one of the lines and stop running. After you make that edit and rerun, the system will bypass anything that has successfully generated. But for our purpose, and normally on your first run, you would like to clear the content so that it picked up everything. Let's look at the structure where the tool resides. The macro file needs to be in the same folder with the two templates. As long as you have it in the same folder, it doesn't matter where it is within your computer. Upon generating the documents, the tool will place the file here in this results folder. If you don't have the result folder already created, the system will detect that and create one for you. So let's give it a go. You click run, and it took 3 seconds to generate 10 documents from the templates for 5 employees. And as you can see here, the system put the yes next to each of the successful run. So let's look at the results. You can see here 10 files, 2 for each employee. Let's look at the certificate itself: name, month, supervisor, supervisor title. Let's look at the letter. As you can see here, here's the name, text 1, text 2. I kept it simple for this demo purpose. However, it could be anything that you would like it to be. Now, if you find this tool useful and you can see an application for it for yourself or your company, you can obtain a license for this tool for only $9.99 per license, and I can customize to populate the template that you need up to 5 dynamic variables. For $14.99, I can create one that can replace up to 10 variables. Send me an email at aanomadic@gmail.com or leave me a comment. Thank you for listening.